Hey everybody, this is Andy Sokolich from the Clinton Regional Development Corporation. I serve as the existing industry manager, and Eric had reached out to me asking if he was able to share a program that we created with the rest of you. And of course, I said yes. Why not? Absolutely. Sharing is caring. So, as part of our business retention and expansion program, I did a lot of research on what I wanted to call it, right? I wanted to give it a name. And as I did research looking into what business retention and expansion is all about, it's about value. That word value pops up about 100 times in one blog post when we talk about what we're going to give in return for our existing industries providing us with the information, right? Value. So I took that word and I thought, okay, how can I make this the basis of my acronym, but also make it so it defines the program as a whole? And I came up with this little bad boy. We refer to these as value cards. And I just want to walk you through all 5 letters here in value real quick and identify what they mean and how we apply them. So you see it's listed in the back as well. I'll make sure to include a link to a PDF copy of this for your review. V, visit. The cornerstone of all of our programs is us physically getting out into the community and visiting with our business owners, our plant managers. Without it, we've got no program at all, right? That's where the rubber meets the road, and that's why it's first. A is to simply acknowledge, right? We have all these companies within our region. We service them all. Often business retention and expansion doesn't get all the glitz and glamour that the attraction side does, but we want to make sure that we appreciate and show that appreciation publicly to the businesses that continue to employ and invest in our community. So acknowledge them. If they get a new certification, if they get an award, or just do maybe an Industry of the Year recognition program, something. Acknowledge that you appreciate their existence. L is to simply listen. Sometimes when we talk, and I have this problem too, you spend more time thinking about what your response is going to be than actually shutting up and listening to what the person has to say. That's how we interview. That's how we get information, by letting them speak. If they jump on their soapbox and they go off, you need to zip it and actually absorb all the information they're giving you, because they're going to reveal some really cool stuff that's going to allow you to grab some low-hanging fruit and help them succeed. You is to utilize the information. So I went there, I visited with them. I listened to what they had to say. Now I want to use that information. If I just went back to my desk and did nothing with it, just gee whiz information, maybe something I scribbled down on a legal pad, or I put the information in synchronous, but I never actually took the next step. I didn't issue out a referral. I didn't do anything. What good is it? It's not. Engage, right? Not only engaging the businesses, but also engaging the community. Part of our job as business retention and expansion experts is to go out there and share the word. Tell them what we're doing with these businesses. Tell them the victories that we had. Our efforts are securing them and allowing them to expand and retain employees. We're doubling our workforce. Go out there and spread it. It's your victory to shout from the rooftops. So go out there and speak to your civic groups, speak to your community, speak to your boards, speak to your nonprofits. Get out there wherever you can and spread the word about business retention and expansion. Visit, acknowledge, listen, utilize, and engage. I love this program. I was excited the day it popped into my head, and I brought it back to the workplace, and we started talking about it. But it truly encompasses what our program is about and the goals we're trying to reach. We want to add value, therefore we're applying value. And so far, within the last year that I've been here, brand new to economic development, only been doing it for a year, but the year that I've been in this career and with this organization, this has worked. Not only is it working, it's easy to remember. I'm glad I had this opportunity to share with you the acronym VALUE and the value program that we have, the Clinton Regional Development Corporation. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask. I'll slap my email here below, and I'll also include my phone number. Give me a ring, shoot me an email. I'd love to talk to you more about business retention and expansion. Again, this is Andy Sokolich, the existing industry manager from the CRDC, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.